In this tutorial, we'll create a simple simulation of two planets using visual coding. In this simulation, Earth stays in a fixed position while the Moon can move left and right using a slider. As the Moon moves, the system will automatically calculate the distance between the two planets. Before we build the logic, let's take a quick look at the concept we'll be using, the ABS or absolute value operator, found in the operators category. ABS is a mathematical operation that converts a negative value into a positive one. This is useful when calculating distance because distance is always expressed as a positive value, regardless of direction. For example, if an object is positioned at -10, its distance from the starting point is still 10 units. The same applies if the object is at 10. In both cases, the distance is 10. In this project, we'll use ABS to calculate the distance between Earth and the Moon based on the difference between their positions on the x-axis. Let's begin by creating the variables we'll need. Create the first variable and name it xMoon. This variable stores the Moon's position based on the slider value. Next, create a second variable named distance. This variable stores the calculated distance between Earth and the Moon. Now add the when scene starts block. This is where we'll set the starting values for both variables, so the simulation begins in a known state. From the variables category, add a set xMoon to 0 block. Then add another to set distance to 0. With these starting values in place, the Moon begins at its initial position and the distance is set to 0 when the scene starts. Next, we'll add the slider interaction. Add the when the value of xMoon changed in slider block. Set the slider's minimum value to -20, the maximum value to 20, and the step value to 1. Using both negative and positive values allows the Moon to move in either direction. After the slider value changes, we need to update the Moon's position so it matches the new value. From the motion category, add the set position of the spinning Moon block. Set x to the xMoon variable, y to 0, z to 0, and set the duration to 0 so the Moon moves immediately whenever the slider changes. Once the Moon has moved, the next step is to calculate the distance between the two planets. To do this, we first find the difference between the x positions of Earth and the Moon. Because this difference can be negative, we'll place the result inside the ABS operator so the final distance is always a positive value. Start by adding a set variable block for the distance variable. Next, from the operators category, place an ABS block into the value field. Inside the ABS block, add a subtraction minus block. For the first input of the subtraction block, insert the get x position block to retrieve the Moon's x position. For the second input, add another get x position block to retrieve Earth's x position. With these blocks in place, the system first calculates the difference between the two x positions. Then it applies the ABS operation so the final distance is always shown as a positive value. For example, if the Moon is at -10 and Earth is at 0, the calculated distance will be 10. Next, let's display the Moon's current position. Add an update text block from the state category, then connect it to the xMoon variable. This text updates whenever the slider moves, so you'll be able to see the Moon's current x position in real time, including negative values when it moves to the left of Earth. Now let's display the calculated distance. Add another update text block and connect it to the distance variable. Because this block is placed after the calculation of the distance, the displayed value updates every time the Moon changes position. You'll see the latest distance between Earth and the Moon in real time. The simulation is now complete. Open Preview and move the slider left and right. As you test the project, notice that the Moon's position changes between negative and positive values, while the calculated distance always remains positive because it uses the ABS operation.